Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing the 324 tools, the Pinion remover. Alright, so let's start today's video, let's go! Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so this is the tools. Obviously you can see is for us to install and remove the Pinion. Okay, and here we're going to talk about this. Is you can see here, so this part is basically for us to push the motor and to install the Pinion. So you can see here, there is a hole over here, and that's basically what we put over here, the motors, and then this part is for us to remove the Pinion. Okay, so if you can see at the center over here, there's two spots. Obviously you can see is for us to put the motor, so it will stop over there. Okay, so if when we install it, you can see the motor shaft and this is at the same level, so when we twist it, it can straight push to this side and can install the Pinion. And of course this one as well, we can just push this and remove the Pinion. Okay, so this is how it works. And of course there'll be people asking then why we need this kind of tools. So usually what we do is we just put the Pinion and just push the motor like straight like this, then just install it. Okay, but for some, like there's some players, some racers, they like to, you know, to do the things much more detailedly, so which means they want to make a, like, even though the way they install the Pinion is more what was that called, accuracy, I guess. So it can be more like it can fit perfectly, so it makes like the when you install the Pinion, it's not you know, it's straight, it's absolutely straight. So this is the tools for the people are really careful about, like really care about their transmissions. So they are want to do, they are not just want to do the best, they want to do the best of the best to try to make the perfect job. So that's is for those people who are really care about their transmissions. So this is the tools they can using for install the Pinion. So even though that's Pinion, they want to make sure that's absolutely straight. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you how to do it and how to install it and remove it. All right. Okay, so now I believe most of you guys, after watching the video, you should know some details about these tools. But the other thing I think there's something we are missing is if you know, like after we install the Pinion, and actually between the Pinion and the counter gear, there is a space that we can, let's say the Pro chassis, the Pinion and the counter gear, there is a space that we can actually make sure the Pinion is biting the counter gear each other is perfectly. So that this way we can using these tools to do the adjustment of the Pinion and to make sure they biting each other is perfectly. Okay, so which means you can think about this one is also for you to beneficial you to do adjustment on like your transmission as well. Okay, so this is another thing we can think about these tools. Okay, so of course this is my opinion, and today I just want to show you how the new tools. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.